Hello everyone! Welcome to the PDNob channel. How to see the Wi-Fi password on your computer and how to find it after you forget it. Today this video will show you how to use PDNob shortcuts to find Wi-Fi password. Launch PDNob shortcuts and open it. Let's create a new shortcut action. Select Run command. Enter the name to check Wi-Fi password. Then enter the command. Here you will enter your Wi-Fi name. Click on the Display CMD window option to check it. Click on Save. OK, now click on Check Wi-Fi password. Your Wi-Fi password will be displayed. Finally, a bonus for you. Please enter this code string and open it. The code string can be found in the description below. If you open it and it says it won't run, you can open Control Panel and click on Programs. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down to find Telnet Client and check it. Then click OK, and you can run the code string. Well, that's all for today. If you think the video is still good, please click like and subscribe. See you in the next video.